What's up, everybody? My name is Bruce. I'm the owner of Detail Growth. In this video, I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to go through who we are, what we do, and how we can help you grow your detailing business to $10,000 per month or more. When I first started 4 years ago, I really struggled to get my business off the ground. I was doing a couple cars a week by myself, didn't have any employees. And now fast forward 4 years later, we do $250,000 a year. We have 3 full-time employees, and I promise you we can get your business there too. So really, I'm just gonna go through the program here, show you exactly what you're gonna get. Then I have an offer for you at the end if you wanna take action, if you're ready to grow your business, and if you wanna skip wasting thousands of dollars like I did on different ads and testing what works, hiring the wrong people, not having the right softwares in place, and just overall just being way too busy to even enjoy your free time. This is the program for you. So let's jump into the actual program and see what we're offering you. All right, so what is our 6-figure auto detailer program? I'm actually just gonna jump you straight into the program, show you exactly what you're gonna get. Not gonna have any secrets here, I'm just gonna show you. All right, so module 1 is our foundations module. This is where we're gonna jump into essential supplies. So we have a list of all the equipment we recommend and links to, the cheapest links to equipment for everything you need. So all of that is built out for you. Same thing with the chemicals as well. Business insurance, we show you how to get business insurance for cheap, how to price your services. We actually have a pricing calculator in Google Sheets. You plug in what your goal is to make for the year, how many hours you're going to work, your equipment costs, everything like that. It spits out how much you need to charge. And then example service contracts and safety procedures. These are all plug and play. You just enter your logo here at the top, put in your business name, and then you're good to go. And the foundations module, that's a $500 value for everything you get there. It's worth $500. Our next module is our detailing training module. So that's how to detail a car in under 3 hours. You're going to want your employees or even you to be able to do the max amount of cars per day to make the most money. So in this video, we break down exactly how we do full interior and exterior detail the same way every time. Module 2, detailing training, that's $1,000. That's professional level detailing training that we just give to you, all included in the program. Module 3 is big. It's all done for you, right? So we set up your online booking software. This is a custom booking software where customers can book online with you without ever talking to you, without texting you, emailing you. So it's a huge time saver. And also, if the booking system is easy for the customer, they're way more likely to book. The booking software looks like this right here, and you can see all of our bookings come into this calendar. Our employees also have an app, so they can use this, see what their jobs are for the whole week coming up. You can do gift cards in here. They send out automatic text reminders, automatic rate and review texts. So this software right here, it's all custom for you and built out. We also built out your website for you. So your website is going to look like this. You're going to put your city in here. Everything is white labeled. So, you put your logo, your phone number, all these buttons will be linked to your booking website. But you just get the shell of this website. You put in your prices and it's already SEO optimized. And this is also free for you to use. It's included in the program. You get instant access to this website. You just put in all your business info and then it's good to go. Module 3 for the website, the custom done for you website and the custom booking software, that's a $3,000 value. And you're getting it just included with the program, all of it bundled together. Module 4 is probably our most powerful module. This is how we get about 80 to 90% of our business. It's through Google Business Listings. We help you set up your profiles. We help you optimize to rank in the top 3 of your city. And then we have a bunch of review strategies that you can use to get reviews on your pages. The real powerful thing with this strategy is that you can have multiple of them, right? So most businesses have one and it's not optimized and it's ranked somewhere, down a couple pages in Google that nobody can find it. But for us, we're trying to get all of your listings top 3 in their area. And you can see, I'll just show you one just to see what one of our listings is doing for us. If you check performance, we're getting 85 calls and 551 website clicks. And this is a free service Google gives you. If you optimize it correctly, it can be a game changer. This is what 10x'd our business was this strategy right here. And again, it's included in the program. You get access to all of this in the program. And module 4, this is our biggest offering. That's a $10,000 value. This alone can take your business to $10,000 per month and above. It has for us. And again, we just include it all together. You get all this stuff. That's the foundations module, detailing training, custom website, and custom automation software, and our free Google marketing machine, all included. We still have 4 more modules. Module 5 is our Google Ads module. We always have some Google Ads running just because they work. Now you do have to pay for them, which is why we tend to stick with Google Business Listings, and that's our most important thing. But Google Ads do work. You do get business from them every time, especially with our strategy. So we help you set up your accounts. We help you launch your first ad, optimizations and negative keywords, and really anything A to Z from setting up your first Google ad, or if you've already set them up, how to optimize a Google ad to get the most amount of business. Module 5, our Google Ads training, that's a $5,000 value. This alone can make you $5,000 immediately in your first couple months. Google Ads work. They're a proven marketing tool that we use all the time. We always have some running. We only spend $400 or $500 a month on them. So we make our money back really quickly, but they do work. And I'll show you exactly how we do ours in this training as well. Module 6 is our social media strategy. Social media is free. So you have to use it, right? It's just so valuable that you have to use it. Everyone's on social media. We use the 5 main platforms. So we use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts. Those are our 5 main social medias we use. We found the best results from these 5. And they're also, you can use the same video on all 5 as well. So we show you how to get endless content from you or your detailers. We also have a free library full of content you can already use. It's already edited. There's no logos or anything. So this is just a Google doc full of content that you can use for free. And then we also show you how to hire an editor if you have your own content, how to get it edited for super cheap, and then how to schedule out your posts for months in advance, because social media can really take up a lot of your time if you're not doing it right. So we show you how to schedule it out. You can schedule it out all in like a week for the next 6 months, and then not worry about it and just get customers from it, and not have it take up all your time. Module 6, our social media training. That's worth $2,000. Again, social media is free and you can get customers from it for free every day. We do it every day, and $2,000 is really a steal. That's a few details. For us, it would be 8 details on the low end, and you're going to make that back in a matter of a month or two. And again, all this stuff is bundled together. You get all of this value in our program. Module 7 is our print marketing module. This is where we just give you done for you templates for business cards, review flyers, A-frame signs, company shirts, and company jackets. This stuff is literally just plug and play. You just grab our business card template here, click on the link. It'll take you to our business card. You enter your logo here, your phone number, generate a QR code, which we have, this Canva has a QR generator for free, and we break that down in the training. And then your website, and then you're good to go. You can go down here to print and order your scratch off stickers to go over this $20 off giveaway, and then go to print and order them from Vistaprint or FedEx or wherever you want, wherever it's cheaper. And then again, you're good for go. It's done for you, right? So all of these templates are just plug and play, super, super easy. And our print marketing module allows you to, give it out to friends, give it out to people you meet, drop it off at local businesses. And it really just adds professionalism to your business. You look more legit if you have some print marketing. So that is a $1,500 value. Print marketing is old as time. People have been doing print marketing since before the internet because it works. So we still do it. It is true, tried and true method. It works every time. So that's a $1,500 value. And again, you get it included. Everything's done for you ahead of time. You just enter your logo and you're good to go. And our last module is one of my more exciting modules for me because I didn't really love detailing. I love the business side of it. I like running a business, growing a business, but I don't necessarily love detailing. So for me, I wanted to hire a team as fast as possible, right? So we show you exactly how to know if you're ready to hire employees. I break it down what's important, how busy should you be before you get your first employee, and then how to get 10 to 20 qualified applicants per week. We've gotten even 30 before in a week, and then our whole interview process, how to interview them, hiring documents. We use Facebook to find our employees, and we found great employees that have been with us for over a year now. So it does work, and once you get there, that is the most exciting part. When you start making money from home, like how I am now, it really flips the switch in your head on how big this thing could get. And our module 8, our hiring module, that's worth $4,000. Having a good employee is the key to growing your business. You can only do so many details in a day yourself. Once you have a great employee who you trust to go out, do the jobs the right way every time, it just takes your business to the next level and it gives you free time not only to do whatever you want to enjoy your free time, but also to focus on what are the next steps to grow your business and take it to that next level. Start ceramic coating, start PPF, whatever you want to do. Get a shop. But yeah, all of this together, that is a $27,000 value, and I think that's really a bargain. We could sell this for, I would take a little bit off and sell it for probably 20 just for the value we're giving you. We're really just giving you a $10,000 detailing business in a box and just handing you the key. There is going to be some work you have to do, setting everything up, and you are going to be a business owner, right? So you're going to have to think for yourself, solve problems every day, hire your employees. But I think $20,000 would be a good price for this. Right now, we're actually having a Christmas time special deal with over 98% off. You can get our program today. You can get access to this program for 98% off. Start going through every module, watching every video, get free access to the custom website, the automation software, start getting free leads from Google, all those print marketing templates, the social media strategy, Google Ads. You can set those up today. Click below or fill out your information next to this video and get access right now for 98% off. And if you join today, you get a free strategy call one-on-one with me. We'll break down your specific situation and how to get started. We'll walk through the entire program and I'll break down any questions or anything you have. We'll talk about your specific goals and where you want this business to go. And then we'll set up a step-by-step plan to achieve those goals in 3 months or less. And again, we'll answer any questions you have regarding the program, regarding me, regarding where you are in the country, your weather, really anything. Any questions you have me for 30 minutes to an hour. I don't really have a specific time limit for these calls. We'll be on the call until I answer all your questions and you feel confident going forward, right? But if you scroll below, you'll see a countdown timer. Not sure how much time it's going to have left when you see this video, but this offer does not last forever, right? We can't give 98% off forever. So scroll down and check that timer. You might still have a little bit of time left to go ahead and grab this offer while you can. Again, we normally sell this program for anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000, and we have hundreds of customers. Right now, we're doing a Christmas special to get people through the door in the program and start helping you, because our real goal is to help as many beginner auto detailers or struggling auto detailers as we can. The Christmas season is about giving, and we want to give back. So for a limited time, we're doing 98% off to get a bunch of people through the door and start churning out results for people. You can go up top, enter your info, and get started today and get access today. Make sure you check that countdown timer below. Make sure you still have time to get it. And another great thing we have, which this really takes all the stress off the table with your decision-making process, but we have a 100% money-back guarantee. If you follow our program and your business does not reach $10,000 per month, we will give you all of your money back, right? I mean, I don't know what better deal you can get. You can get the program for 98% off. And if you don't get the results you want, we'll give you all your money back. Can't ask for much better of a deal, in my opinion. We are literally going to give you a $10,000 detailing business in a box with the key. Here you go, set it up, and there you have your business. And if you don't like it, we will give you your money back. Go ahead and join today. Claim your 98% off and your free bonus of a strategy call with me before it's gone forever. That countdown timer is going to run out, and we are going to stop doing this. We can't give it away forever, but you can go ahead, enter your info next to this video, claim your offer, and let's get you started today on the path to $10,000 per month.